Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 16 January 2025. 15 January 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 12, number 37 and number 46. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number 6, 38, 21, 17, 40, booster number 7. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number, first tea time prediction number 11, number 5, number 36, number 24, number 43, booster number 8. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.